Hi and welcome to Calorie Lab Online. We're now going to show you a short piece from this week's lesson. For the full lesson, please join the channel. If you look underneath, you can subscribe and join. Thank you very much. Enjoy the class. And we're going to put the arms behind the back and just cross the arms here. So the arms are going to rest to start. So we open the feet. 1, 2. Same as for elephant. A little down, like halfway down. The left foot comes across to the right and forward. Then the right comes to the left and forward. And as we do that, we're turning out this back foot. Now be careful here not to drop the knee in. Try to keep the knee out. So the arm action from the elephant, we come to the side, then we cross, open, behind, in front. So stepping out with the left foot, down into elephant. Come up a little for now. Then, as the left foot comes across, the two hands come together. Push the left foot out, cross the arm. Open, forward onto the right leg, turn the left foot, two hands together. Open, close the body, forward. Then, turn the left foot, step back with the right leg, left leg comes behind, kick, straight down, here. We step with the right leg, bringing the arms behind as high as here, so they cross at the wrist. Then we continue forward, stepping with the left leg, and here, as you see, my elbow is come to vertical. And then carries on down into the navel, and we bring the shoulder down to the knee. So we are here in lion. So this is the Arapukai first form, or Shakti form. So the attitude that we want is one of softness in the body. So try to keep the body soft. If you feel you're getting tense, just make it easier for yourself. Come up, don't go so deep. Try to keep the body as much as you can relaxed during this form, okay? We try once more.